Hello, homeowners. This is the warranty team. I'm Evan James, warranty coordinator.
And I'm Gordon Cruz, warranty technician.
We're going to show you how to fix your cabinets. This cabinet, the reveal on the bottom is too close. The reveal on the top is too wide. It also is pushed away from the top. So we're going to show you how to adjust that.
And since I'm tall, I will do it. You get a little screw right here in the back that adjusts the inner and the outer of the cabinet hinge. I've already seemed to have that fixed. Now, we don't like the gap. So we have a screw that's on the front part of the hinge. If you screw that in, it moves the edge of the cabinet closer to the other cabinet. It needs a little bit more. And that's it. That's all you need to do.
Fantastic work, Gordon.
Thank you. I've been doing it for quite a while.